Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Today I'm going to share with you a scrub review from Oshea herbals. Watch on for more details. Oshea herbals glopure anti-tan scrub. I hope this video is helpful to all, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends. Now let's get started. First of all, I'm saying that how is the packaging. The Oshea herbals glopure anti-tan scrub comes in a off-white plastic tube with a purple flip open cap. The tube has got all the product details written over it. The packaging is compact, sturdy and it is very travel friendly. The scrub is white in color and it bears a sweet fragrance. It has granule texture. The scrub has creamy base with perfect consistency and the granules are not too harsh on the skin and just perfect for proper scrubbing. Now coming to its efficacy, Oshea herbals glopure anti-tan scrub is an excellent product that really works on skin and it spreads easily on the face and the granules give the perfect exfoliation. And this product makes your skin feel soft, smooth and clear. After using this scrub, you notice your tan got reduced to a good extent and I'm sure it will be able to remove all the tanning soon with continued use. The scrub doesn't feel greasy on the skin and neither it leaves behind any oily or greasy feeling after use this product. And the best part, hasn't broke you out, and this product is very useful for our skin. And the primary reason of skin tanning is sun exposure, and this Oshea herbals glopure anti-tan scrub is especially formulated to protect skin from sun's harmful UV rays. This anti-tan scrub is enriched with precious herbal extracts of strawberry and mangista and aloe vera that preserves skin's youthfulness, and this herbal extracts helps to remove tan and makes skin lighter, smoother and healthier. It also contains strawberry and licorice. The scrub slough away the dead skin cells and keep skin clear and radiant. So the product is very useful for our skin. If you like an instant brightening scrub, this product is perfect for you, and this product shelf life is 3 years, and this product suitable for all skin types like dry, normal, combination or oily. Now I'm saying that how to use this product. Moisten face with water, dispense product onto fingertips and avoid your eye area, over face and neck. Gently apply and gently massage for 2 to 3 minutes. Then wash off with fresh water. So I hope this video is helpful to all. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share.